Hi friends, let me show you this Fanny pack dog accessory bag that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a large bag. Let me show you. It can hold a lot of treats for your dogs, like things like this. When you go out and walk with them, you can put it in your belt with this clip or put it in your waist like this, okay? It also has this little bag in the bottom, so you can put the poop bags, okay, like these ones. Inside, you get one out, and you are ready to go to take a walk with your pets and get your poop bags like that, okay? Let me show you. You can use it, okay? You can change the size, of course. Like this, okay? Or, as I told you, you could get this out and bring it with you just with the belt clip, like that. See? So it's easy to bring with you, even if you have a belt or you want to use the waist strap like this one. I'm going to use it like this. Let's go to the park. As you can see, I am here with my pets, taking a hike, walking the park, and I have my bag with all the accessories that I need, like the poop bag that I will be needing in a few seconds. Let's do it.